Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. You can find me on Ko-fi. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you my hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024 journal for August. And I've been wanting to do this for a while. I was laughing at myself because I made a list at the beginning of the year of the journals that I wanted to do in my bucket list, and I don't think I've done one of them yet in the order that I had. So anyway, what this idea was that I would take different items that I sell in my shop and I would go shopping in my own shop, and I would purchase these items from the lovely ladies who are my suppliers, and I will put these items into a journal. So Dawn had made these packs. If you saw my last video, you will have seen the packs that she has sent me. They are right here, so I'll grab them real quick here. So she's got different ephemera packs and journal kits. They have digital pages, they have coffee dyed papers, they have book pages, handmade ephemera, fabric pieces, lace pieces, handmade ephemera. So just lots of different things. So what I did was I grabbed one of those kits, and that's going to be the base for my journal. So these are the other 3 kits that are available in my shop right now. So if these sell quickly, you can let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more, and I'm sure Dawn will get those created for us. So the digital kits in here that she's put together are just lovely, and I thought it'd make a great base for highlighting some of the other items in my shop. So as you can see here, I've got the cover that comes with your kit. I've got all the pages together, so it's going to be a single chunky signature. And Dawn's already done all the work for you. I did put this pocket in. She had a little scrap of lace, so I put that in there before I started the video. These pages have not been secured yet, so excuse me. I don't have the pages secured yet. So there's that. One of the other items I'm going to use in this journal is a couple of items here that I've put on my table. So I might pull a few more, I'm not sure, but I think I have enough here to, probably more than enough to put in the journal. So over here on my left, you'll see this pack here. This is a lace and fabric pack from Melody, one of my suppliers, and as you can see, she's got some really lovely things in there. I think there is one more of these available in my shop at the time I'm recording this video, but I'm not sure if it'll sell out by the time you get there. So the next thing I'm going to share here is this is an ephemera pack, and this is made by Leah Wilkins, and I thought that the items that she has in here, so it's called All the Fairy Tale, and she's got little ephemera pieces in here. She has other kits available in my shop like this, so you can check those out. But as you can see, she's got a little journal in here. So I'm thinking I'm going to put this somehow, tie that in to the cover on this journal that I'm making with Dawn's kit. And then in the front here, she's got all kinds of little ephemera pieces that I can put in the journal. So we have this. She has a lovely piece of silk here that's going to stay on here. So I will have to come up with some other tie. That's okay, I have an idea for that as well. Then I have these items here. These are from, pull these out. These are made by Cindy, and I think there's one other kit like this in my shop that's still available. So these are little hearts that she's layered up, and I thought they would be really cute in this journal, just because the colors go so nicely. And then I'll have the bonus of having this little pouch that she's made. And then these are all from Michelle Wynn. She has several ephemera packs right now in my shop, so you'll want to snag those as well. And then she's got these journal cards And I thought it would be kind of cool to use maybe one of these cards on the cover. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that yet. I've got a couple ideas there. And then I've got some ruffles here that Dawn had gifted me. Now she has several of these items available, little kits, ready to go made ruffles. And so I thought the colors went really well with this journal, so I'll be using some of those in here. And then Dawn, part of the journal kit is her little bits. Those will be used in the journal. And then here are the extra ephemera pieces that came with Dawn's kit that I will be incorporating some of those as well. And then here are the, I've already cut these out so they're ready to go. Just pieces of ephemera that she has in her digital kit that is in this particular journal kit. I keep saying kit. Okay. Anyway, here's kind of the idea where I'm going with this with all of our artists. And so I want you guys to stay tuned. Check out my videos that are coming up because I'll be sharing as I go along how this journal is coming together. And then the really cool thing is I'm going to be having a giveaway pretty soon. So in my Ko-fi shop, I have a goal to have 600 followers. I have 495 or something right now. And then on my YouTube channel, I'm aiming for my next goal of 1,500 subscribers. I think I'm at 1,418 right now. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and then go over to my Ko-fi shop and follow over there as well. So I'm going to be having a giveaway, not on this video, but I will have a giveaway video where I'll be giving away 2 items, and one of them will be this journal. So stay tuned for that on how you can get in the drawing for that. And then I'll have another gift, one for people who have subscribed to my channel and one for people who have purchased from my Ko-fi shop. So two giveaway items there in an upcoming video. Don't comment here thinking that that gets you into the drawing. So stay tuned for details on that as I reach those goals. Again, that's 1,500 on my YouTube channel and 600 followers on my Ko-fi shop. So you can find all these items, well, not these because I bought these, but similar items on my Ko-fi shop. That is Yvette's Junk Journal Shop. And I'll put a link down in the description box for you guys. I hope you will stay tuned as this journal comes together. Again, this is for the hashtag 12x12 Junk Journal Challenge. I'm going to pull this page over here. Here are the lovely ladies who are involved in this. There are 6 of us. We have Dawn from Scrapbook Sage. We have Trisha from Quale Family. April from Mama Juju's Crafting on the Back 40. Joan from Joan's Junk Journal and more. Sheila from Creative Nana, aka Sheila, and myself. So each month we have committed to making one journal in the theme of our choice. We will post one video reveal of what we're going to do, like this video, and then at the end of the month we'll all post a video showing our completed journal. So by the end of the year we are going to have 72 journals and at least 144 videos highlighting those journals. So you'll want to stay tuned. There's lots of inspiration. Everybody's doing something different, and that's what makes everybody so cool, right? Especially Trisha, because she's the cool Quale family. But anyway, stay tuned as I get this journal going. Hope you guys check out my shop. Like and subscribe this video, and please comment. Also on my community page right now, I have a question and answer. So if you want to pop over there, community page is something on YouTube that's not used too much, but you can get on there. I've got a question and answer. Go ahead and ask me questions about junk journaling or about me as long as they're appropriate. And I'll do a future video highlighting those questions and giving you answers to all the things. So stay tuned. Lots going on here. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you so much for watching.